welcome back to my YouTube channel Infiniti QX80, 2025, full-size 3-row luxury SUV. The all-new 2025 Infiniti QX80 has arrived, and it's making a bold statement in the world of full-size luxury SUVs. With a complete redesign, cutting-edge technology, and a powerful engine, the QX80 is ready to take on competitors like the Cadillac Escalade, Lincoln Navigator, and Lexus LX. If you're looking for an opulent yet capable 3-row SUV, this model might be your perfect choice. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 QX80 stand out. Stunning exterior design. The 2025 Infiniti QX80 has undergone a major design overhaul, featuring a sleek, futuristic aesthetic that exudes luxury and sophistication. The front fascia is dominated by a massive, intricately designed grille flanked by slim, high-tech LED headlights. The sculpted body lines, aerodynamic profile, and bold stance give it a commanding presence on the road. New wheel designs and premium paint options enhance its high-end appeal. Powerful performance capability. Under the hood, the 2025 QX80 boasts a twin-turbocharged 3.5-litre V6 engine that delivers an impressive 450 horsepower and 516 pounds-to-feet of torque. This new powertrain replaces the previous V8, providing enhanced fuel efficiency without sacrificing power. Paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission, the SUV offers seamless acceleration and refined handling. The available intelligent all-wheel drive (AWD) system ensures excellent performance in various driving conditions, whether on highways or rugged terrain. Luxury-focused interior. Step inside the QX80, and you're welcomed by a cabin that epitomizes luxury. High-quality materials like quilted leather, open-pore trim, and brushed aluminium accents create an upscale ambience. The 3-row seating configuration offers generous space for up to 7 or 8 passengers, with power-adjustable, heated, and ventilated front seats ensuring maximum comfort. The second-row captain's chairs, optional bench seat available, provide an executive feel, while the third row is more spacious than before. Advanced technology infotainment. Infiniti has equipped the 2025 QX80 with state-of-the-art technology to elevate your driving experience. Dual 14.3-inch touchscreens for infotainment and vehicle controls. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. Bose 23-speaker premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. Digital rear view mirror and 360-degree camera for enhanced visibility. Advanced driver assist features, including ProPilot Assist with hands-free highway driving. Safety driver assistance. Safety remains a top priority in the new QX80. Infiniti has packed it with cutting-edge driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, enhanced parking assistance with self-parking capabilities. Pricing availability. The 2025 Infiniti QX80 is expected to start at around $80,000, with higher trims and added features pushing the price closer to $100,000. Infiniti will offer various trim levels, including Luxe, Sensory, and Autograph, each catering to different levels of luxury and tech preferences. The official release is slated for mid-2025, with pre-orders opening soon. Final verdict. The 2025 Infiniti QX80 brings a fresh new look, upgraded performance, and a tech-loaded interior that competes strongly in the luxury SUV segment. Whether you need a family hauler with first-class comfort or a powerful yet stylish SUV, the QX80 checks all the boxes. With its blend of opulence, innovation, and capability, Infiniti has crafted a worthy contender in the world of full-size luxury SUVs. What are your thoughts on the 2025 Infiniti QX80? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive reviews and updates. Stay tuned.